Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So today in the workshop we have this epic Jaguar F-Pace SVR with us. So we're going to be doing two upgrades to this particular vehicle. The first thing we're going to be doing is fitting a KW height adjustable spring kit to drop it down a little bit, give it a bit more of an aggressive look. The second thing we're going to be doing is related to noise. So we're going to be fitting a full catback system to this car with an X-Pipe in the middle of it to really unlock the sound of this 5-litre supercharged V8. I'm not going to hang around for too long. We're going to get some sound clips of the OEM exhaust, get it in the workshop and start tearing everything apart. Okay, so we have all the upgrades done to the F-Pace SVR. I think you'll agree the stance of the car now looks really, really good with the KW height adjustable spring kit on it. And hopefully you absolutely loved the sound of the new exhaust system that we fitted as much as we did here. It sounds absolutely wicked in person, proper meaty. It's a really, really amazing upgrade to do to these 5-litre supercharged V8 engines, and it just makes them come alive that little bit more and helps to match the looks, the power with the sound. So if you have one of these F-Pace SVRs with the 5-litre supercharged V8, or maybe you have the Range Rover SVR and you want some more sound, you want some better looks, you can hit us up at regalautosport.com or head over to shop.regalautosport.com to purchase your very own upgrades to modify your JLR product exactly as you see fit. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.